All right, today we're going to check out Proform's line of S-blade and straight blade universal fans. They have shrouds and thermostats all built in. It's a really sweet product. I just love how everything's all right inside the box. Let's check it out. All right, open it up. All right, just right there, I can see it's got all the wires I need. I see the bracketry to hold it onto the radiator supports, all the bolts, zip ties, connectors, with some instructions, so we're all good there. Got this little guy. This is for your overflow bottle related to this is a Mustang Fox body version we're looking at right now. And let's check out the actual product itself. There it is. Nice, comes in a nice bag. Ooh, man, this thing is really nice looking. So they got a test report here. Yep, handwritten test results, QC pass, so we know it was tested, which is nice. It means you don't have to do it. It's always a nice bonus. And then here's the actual product itself. Let's take a quick look. All right, so here's the adjustable thermostat at the top, which is really nice. Obviously, hook all your wires up to this weatherproof circuit board that's right here. You've got your fan, your shroud. It's really nice, solid construction. There's your thermostat probe. You take that bad boy, just pop it in your radiator, and that'll work for the adjustable thermostat. It's really nice. I just really like the overall feel of it. It's sturdy feeling. It's not too heavy. I love the way, it's got the shroud with everything here. You just attach it right onto your radiator and off you go. It's a really sweet product. And they've got Mustangs, they've got universal models, S-blade, straight blade. Definitely check this one out, guys. If you're looking for a good cooling solution, something a little bit to step up, just a regular universal zip tied, this is definitely the way to go. It's a system all in a box, and for under $200,